Hello friends, today we will be solving the lead code 30 days challenge. Today's question, which is construct a binary search tree from pre-ordered transversal. So what is binary search tree? In binary search tree, the root is uh, root roots left is smaller than roots value, and roots writer element is having more value than root element. So we have to construct a binary search tree from pre-order transversal. Over here pre-order transversal is given 8, 5, 1, 7, 10, 12. We have to construct this binary tree. How we can construct is 8. We will write 8. The value which is less than 8 will go to the left. 5, again 1 is less than 5, it will go to the left. 7 is greater than 5, it will go to the right. Again 10 is greater than 8, so it will go to right side of 8, 10. And 12 is greater than 10, so it will go over here. So in Java we can do it iteratively or recursively. Over here I have done with the recursive way. So what I have done is, like, I have initialized I equal to 0, then I made a call to construct BST. The construct BST function is having array of pre-order which is given and maximum value over here. So this is like a bounding value. We will be supplying this value, and over here if the value greater than this, we will be returning null. So it is like the value we'll be supplying over here will act as a bound. So initially root.left will be handling all the left recursion, and root right will be handling all the right recursive values, but the values which are less than this max val. Okay, so spelling is wrong as well. So over here you can see, like, we are using one integer I which is getting incremented again and again. So initially it will create for 8, this 8, it will call for the left pre-order root.val left. Now 8 will go over here as a maximum value. Now 8 is pre-order of I. Now pre-order of I will be 5. 5 is greater than maxval. No, it is not. So it will not get terminated. It will not return null. Now it will come over here and it will create a new node for 5. Then it will call for root.left pre-order root.val. Now it will call for 1. So 1. So over here it will send 5, and pre-order of 1 I will be now 1. 1 is greater than 5. No, so it will not return, and 1 will get created, and these are appending to the left side. As we are calling only root.left, only it will get appended to the left side of the root. So over here again 1 will be called. Now 7 will be called. Now pre-order of I, which is now 7, is greater than 1. No, it is not. So now root.right will get called. So over here we will be calling pre-order of maxval. So it is not, it's the last value. Okay, so it will call for 5. Okay, now 5 will come again over here. Pre-order of I, which is greater than 5, it will return null and will be returning root. So it will happen like, for the maxval will act as the bound value. So you can consider left part will go to the root.left, and the right part will go to the root.right portion, and the bound the maxval will be acting as bound value. Thank you. Let's see, will it get executed or not. Yes, it is getting executed. Let's see more details. Yes, 110 test cases are getting passed, and it is fast solution as well. So thank you for watching.